Hey divine folks, let's check what is the guidance from your angels today. We are gonna check the cards, the oracle decks, the alphabets, some angel numbers, charms, a letter from your angel, and the book of answers. This is this is gonna be, I'll explain you when you choose a pile, okay? But right now you need to intuitively pick a pile which calls out to you, and if you feel like two piles are calling out to you, check the other one as well. You might have a hidden message. Okay, so yes, the timestamps are in the description column below. You can choose now. So hey divine folks, if you have chosen pile 1, this amazing 7 chakra pendant, okay, let's check what is the message and guidance from your angels to you. So right now you might feel like nothing is happening as per your wish in your life, okay? Like nothing is happening. It's like everything is going okay-ish, and you don't see any kind of, what do you say, adventure or curiosity, or it's just that you're not feeling that fun inside you, okay? So your angels are asking you to, though you are though you look like you are in a stagnant position right now, your angels ask you to move ahead. Okay, there is something that your angels want you to do. Okay, you need to make a move. You need to come out of your comfort zone and take the risk, as we have the Fool here. Okay, right now you are in a hanged man position, but now you are asked by your angels to move forward. Do something which makes you happy. Okay, make your life full of happiness. Whatever you are passionate about, go after it. Okay, um you might be, some of you guys were watching this video might be mourning regarding the past or whatever happened in the past. You might feel like a failure, like, you tried something but it did not work out the way you wanted. So your angels were like, protecting you and guiding you. It's okay, let the bygones be bygones, let the past be there. It's fine, whatever happened, learn the beautiful lesson that it gave you and move forward. Take the risk. Now it's time to act upon your ideas or plans, and you are also asked to embrace all the opportunities which are coming your way. So this is what your angels are asking you. It's like the creativity card and the rebirth card is asking you to, you can create your own life. You have that much power inside you. Ace of Cups also tells you like a new beginning is just around the corner, but it's only gonna move ahead if you come out of that stagnant position and do something with your life. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Do not let anyone else control your life, and I feel like you might have, some of you guys who are watching this video might have asked the universe that why certain things happened with me. Why did it happen with me? What did I do? Like, I did not do any wrong to any individual, and why does this bad things keep happening to me? So you need to understand that something greater is coming, something really big, something good is coming out of that bad. You need to let that shit go rather than holding on to that vibration or that frequency which is blocking your way, blocking your abundance in the present moment. Because now as I am seeing the vision of the present moment and your future, I feel like there's a lot of blessings want to come your way, want to reach out to you, but you are holding on to the past. You are holding on to that lower level frequency and vibration which is blocking your area. Okay, you need to, yeah, fine, you went through a lot of shit, I understand, it's hard. Feel it and let it go all at once. Do not just be stuck there. Learn the lesson, learn the beautiful lesson it gave you, and embrace all of yourself, and start your life, a new life. Rebirth is highlighted, obviously. So the next card which you were drawn to from the wisdom oracle was regeneration, which definitely goes hand to hand with the rebirth. Definitely it asks you to embrace it. Rebirth is just around the corner. It's never too late to start something new. Okay, it's never too late to start, to begin something, to act upon something. Don't feel like, something did not happen your way, so it's better I just shut myself down. No, you can always try and try. Okay, we'll just keep this here. And the next card that you were drawn to from the Crystal Angels deck was Own Your Divine Power. Replace codependent people pleasing with assertiveness and empowerment. So, definitely, your angels are asking you to own your power. You have that power to create a beautiful life, which right now is, it seems like it's mundane, like nothing is happening, it's stagnant, but you have that power, you have that ability. Own it. Okay, make something really good out of your power, good out of your abilities. Okay, so the next card that you were drawn to, from the Crystal Angels deck was ceremonies and celebration. It's a time of important life passages such as weddings, birthdays, graduations, or anniversary or revival. Okay, like a rebirth is also a celebration. Like birthday is a celebration, but a rebirth is also a celebration, if you ask me, in my opinion. So you need to celebrate yourself, you need to celebrate, like a new journey that you're going to start, a new life that you're going to start. So make sure you embrace it, have fun, live a little. Okay, so we'll just keep this over here. And the next card that you were drawn to from the Moonology deck is definitely step out of your comfort zone. Yes, you are asked to take risk, as we already have the Fool here. You are asked to step out of your comfort zone and take risk and move forward, because you have the power to create the beautiful life that you want. Okay, so we'll just keep this here. And then, so these were your cards. Now we'll look upon your alphabets, your charms, and your angel numbers. But before that, I feel like it's better if we open the letter for you from your angels. Okay, pile 1, this is the letter from your angels to you. Okay, let's see. This is the time you need to embrace yourself. You hold all the power to create a magical life you dream of. Do not let your worries stop you. Whatever happened in the past, let it be. Grow out of it. You are much more than the limitations you have created inside your head. You might feel alone and think no one understands you, but you need to know we have been with you every step of your life. So your angels are assuring you that they are with you, protecting you and guarding you. Let whatever isn't working in your life die. Don't be afraid to face the facts. Powerful changes are right around the corner. Abundance and rewards are waiting for you. Make a move and go get it. This is beautiful. So this was a gist, like what I was trying to say through the cards. This was the letter which I came up with from your angels. So definitely you need to make a move, you need to own your power, and create magical stuff out of your life rather than sticking upon the frequency of your past. Okay, so now let's check your charms, angel numbers, and alphabets, and then we'll go with the Book of Answers Oracle. Okay, so let's check your charms for pile 1. Message guidance from the angels for pile 1. Okay, this is beautiful. So we have the tree of life. It's growing, and I don't know, looking at this, I am reminded of this card that you have got, regeneration, definitely. And the next charm that you have got is turtle. So it's okay if you are slow. Do not compare yourself. Be patient. Keep moving forward. It's okay to stay patient. Okay. And the next one is you have Buddha. Definitely Buddha is coming here and giving you a lot of wisdom and knowledge. Within silence of looking at this charm, I also feel like you people might be looking as if you're silent and you're calm, but a lot of stuff is happening inside your mind. You need to calm yourself. Okay. And like talking about the angels, we already have an angel charm here. Definitely, as I said, you are not alone. Your angel said you are not alone. They they have been protecting you and guiding you, so you don't have to worry. Your angels are definitely with you. Okay, so this is beautiful. Okay, so the next charm that you were drawn to was a quill. It's like a, I don't know, looking at this, I feel like, they are protecting you, because I've got a feather here of protection, and looking at this, it definitely says that you are being protected and guided by your angels. Some of you guys might see a lot of feathers coming in as a sign, that's beautiful too. So this is like an assurance that your angels are right by your side. So these were your charms. Now let's look into the alphabets of yours. Let's start. I'm really okay, you knew this was coming, but I'm really not good at this, but let's just help me in the comment section, guys. So we're gonna say what is the guidance from your angels for pile 1. Fill it out more. Okay, I guess that much is enough. So I have rearranged the alphabets. Now what are the words that we are coming with? So we already have bat here and bath here, so you're asked to let your negativity go by drowning yourself in water. It's good. The water absorbs the negative energies. It's good to cleanse yourself. And bat is highlighted. Bat also says wisdom and protection. And anything else, if we are getting we have God here, right? I feel so. Yeah, G-O and B. Definitely God is with you, guys. God is protecting you. Okay, so, and I'm also seeing SAD. So your angels, some of you guys are sad and your angels are asking you to be happy. Okay, don't be sad, they are with you. And anything else if I'm getting? Okay, so I feel like it's better you we are getting a lot of words: hat, mat, bad. Okay, do help me in the comment section, guys. You're not only gonna help me but other people who have chosen pile 1 as well. Yes, thank you, guys. These were your alphabets. Now let's check with your it's like go. If some of you guys are watching this video want an answer regarding something that you have been planning to do or planning to start, I just now saw 111 and it says go, so you can do it. You can move forward. You can go ahead with that plan of yours. Okay, so now let's check your angel numbers. So now let's check out with the angel numbers. Gonna dig deep, and we have 4. This is beautiful. So definitely 4 says that ascended masters, God and your angels are protecting you. Stability is coming forward. You don't have to worry. Right now your life might feel a little unstable, but everything is as per divine plan, so you don't have to worry. Okay, guys, so I guess we covered the cards, the letter, the alphabets, the numbers, the charms, and now it's the oracle time. Okay, so now let's start that. So now, guys, pile 1, listen to me carefully. Okay, right now what you're gonna do is ask a question in your mind. Take a deep breath, calm yourself down, ask a particular question, and I'll open a page, okay, the book of answers, and you'll get the answer for that particular question. Now before that, I want to warn you, this is a collective general reading, guys, so just take it in a happy spirit. Okay, so now just I'll give you 10 seconds, or you can pause the video and think about the question that you want to ask to your angels Okay, what is the guidance regarding that particular question, and then we'll check what is the answer that you're gonna get. I'm so excited. Okay, so now breathe in, breathe out, and think about the question. Pause the video. It will bring good luck. So this is the answer from your angels. It says whatever your question was, it will bring good luck. You can go ahead. So this is beautiful, guys. So this was the answer or guidance from your angels. So pile 1, thank you so much. Do let me know in the comment section below if you like the video or not, and thank you so much, guys. So pile 2, if you have chosen this beautiful 7 chakra pendant of stars, let's check what is the message and guidance from your angels. So, what the fuck is wrong with you guys? What is it? Why are you feeling so down, so low, so bored, like nothing is happening in your life? Okay. So the main thing that I've got from this pile, from your angels, what they want to say is like, have fun, guys. Be happy. Have fun. Embrace your inner child, Live. You are somewhere, not, this life is a blessing to you. Your angels are telling you this life, make the most of every moment. This is a blessing. Do not just let it go away. Do not just waste it. Be open to possibilities. Be open to trying new stuff. Be open, explore. You don't have to worry now. It's life. You need to live it. You are given this life to make some happy memories, moments, and live the most of it. Don't take any kind of pressure right now. You're not asked to take any kind of pressure, okay? You're not living your life to the fullest. You are asked to live your life to the fullest. And seeing the comparison card, for some of you guys, it might mean that you have been comparing your life to others rather than embracing your unique journey that you withhold. And for some of you guys, it might mean that you need to compare yourself in the way that you need to compare your past and your current situation. Look at how far you have come. Appreciate yourself. Compare the old you and write the current you. Like, you have learned a lot, you have gained a lot of wisdom, and embrace that maturity that you hold. Embrace it. I'm sorry, embrace it and be happy with what you got. Be grateful, okay? And I feel like you have been, some of you guys who are watching this video have been isolating themselves and not feeling like doing something, or not even hanging out or going out, or just you're kind of bored, and it's like there's no fun happening in your life, and you're just saying no to everyone. You're asked by your angels that you need to act something, you need to do something, you need to live a little, you need to embrace your existence, okay? And only then your angels will figure out what the fuck do you really want. Yeah, I am right here by your side. Like, you are just sitting and wandering in your own thoughts but not doing anything. Then how can I bring the blessings that are waiting for you, that rewards are waiting for you, but you yourself are creating blockages in your life by not moving your ass. Okay, you need to get out. You need to show the world the real you. Okay, you need to show the world the real you. Okay, yeah, I repeated it. I'm sorry. But you are asked by your angels to have fun, be happy, to not worry about the future or whatever happened in your past. Let all that shit go. Live in the present. How can you make the most of the moment that you are breathing right now? Okay. You need to explore yourself more. You need to, some of you guys who are watching this video are right now pathless. They don't know what they are. Even if someone is gonna go and ask them that, tell me something about yourself, you wouldn't know what to say, because you don't know yourself. Like, nothing is happening and I don't know what is going on. It's just happening, and I'm just wandering around and sitting over here. So you are asked by your angels, you are confusing your angels that what do you need, what do you want, what are you? You need to explore yourself. You need to look into the possibilities. It's okay if you fail now. It's great if you fail. At least you'll know that thing is not for me. You'll explore more and you'll look into it. You'll live your life. You'll learn beautiful lessons. So you are asked to, move a little, have fun, and enjoy your life that is being gifted to you. So this is what your angels are trying to tell me. And so the next card that you were drawn to from the Wisdom Oracle was flexible. Definitely this was gonna happen. You need to, move out. You need to, flexible as in not only just moving your body, but just moving your ideas into existence, creating your ideas into existence, making plans. Even if it's just going out, having fun, exploring opportunities, or just, doing something with your life. Okay, just be flexible and be open to receiving. Be open to receiving. Okay guys, by not acting upon your plans, by not aligning your body with your mind and soul, you are not being open to receiving. Okay, so you need to open up your mind, open up your heart by aligning your mind, whatever your thoughts or ideas are, with your action, that is your body, and your soul, passion, purpose. Okay, aligned all these three together, only then you could be open to receive and manifest it into reality. Okay, so this is what your angels were trying to say through me. So the next card that you were drawn to, I don't know why this card came out, but I felt like this is something which is really important for you guys. Some of you guys, forgiveness heals. Time to release repressed anger as it's blocking your health and happiness. So while this card jumped out, I did not know why was it resonating with these cards, but at the end when I read happiness, I totally was like, okay, you guys need to release which is holding you back. You guys need to release that energetic toxins, that anger, that frustration, that I don't know, some negative aspects of your life. Somewhere whatever happened in your past, you are holding on to that shit. You need to, even though you have released it physically, you need to release it energetically, guys. You can't just hold on to that anger or that trauma or that wound inside you. Okay, it's like, if even I feel some of you guys who are watching this video are kind of frustrated with their life, because like nothing is happening and they are just frustrated, like I've tried some things but it's not happening, so it's better I just give up. I'm not fit for it. I'll just sit down and I just wallow. But no guys, your angels are asking you to heal and mend yourself from your past experiences. Learn the beautiful lessons, because right now the next in your way is abundance, which is gonna come, but that is creating blockages due to your repressed feelings that you need to release. Okay, only then you'll be happy. You'll be really happy after that. Okay, so we'll just keep this card over here. And the next card that you were drawn to definitely answered prayers from the Crystal Angels deck. All your great work has opened the door for divine solutions and support. Your angels are like, at least take a step. Take a step and I will support you. I will guide you. We will be there for you. The divine will work for you. You don't have to worry. Just take a step. Move forward, guys. Take one step and everything will fall into its own place. You don't have to worry. Okay, so this is the card, and the next card that you were drawn to is take time to breathe out. Definitely take time to breathe out. Take time to do something, like over here, existence, explore yourself. What are you? Where are you? Take time to breathe yourself out. Take time to explore yourself, guys. You really need to do that. Okay. You take time to have fun. At least just have fun. Go out, embrace your inner child and do that shit. So the next we're going to read is the letter for pile 2 from your angels, and this is it. So we have God, open up more, let your guards down and live a little. Stop being so hard on yourself and stop forcing yourself. You need to relax and open up to more opportunities and possibilities. This is the time you need to appreciate yourself and see how far you have come. Offer the love to yourself, treat yourself, explore yourself as much as you can. You can't just sit on a couch and wait for a miracle. Be flexible and remind yourself to act upon your plans and ideas. Get adventurous and loosen up your heart and mind. Your one move can bring, yes, one move, definitely, your one move can bring unexpected blessings and rewards your way. So stay curious and stay open. So one advice for you, pile 2, from your angels is to just live, just be happy, just live a little, stay curious, have fun, do what you love, just go out and put yourself out there. Just put yourself out there, take a step, and everything will be how you want it. Okay, so this was your reading. We have checked the cards and the letter. Now we're going to check your charms, alphabets, numbers, and then an oracle answer. Okay, so we're going to check some charms for you guys. Pile to guidance from your angels, pile to guidance from your angels, charms, guidance from your angels. And we have elephant. Definitely it is asking you to be joyful, it is asking you to be happy. Guys, this is beautiful. It is asking you to live a little, be happy. Yes, so the next charm that you got was the pentacle. Pentacle also says money, money, money. Yes, a lot of money is flowing in, definitely. Pentacles is there. So this is an assurance from your angels that money is coming, and peacock also symbolizes abundance, abundance and leaving your mark in places where you go through your feathers. Okay, so definitely peacock is, like the angels are assuring you, definitely you have this authenticity which lies inside you, and you need to make a move and everything will fall into its places. Prosperity lies ahead. So the next is, we got the Buddha charm, and Buddha charm, definitely it's like some of you guys are gonna explore yourself more, and it is Buddha is gonna help you with its enlightenment and wisdom and knowledge. Okay, so these were the charms that you have got. Now we're gonna check your alphabets and the angel numbers. So let's check. I'm really not good at this, but you guys need to help me, and okay. Just rearrange so these were the words that I have rearranged it. So one thing that I've got highlighted was, if there are like some of you guys, have this doubts. Okay, like, if will I be, will it happen? Should I get out of my comfort zone? What if this happens? What if that happens? You need to let that doubts just crumble. Okay, let the doubts go away, because if you feel like doing something, just go for it. Okay, guys. And the next thing that I've got is, dim. You're dimming your own light. Do not let your light dim. Okay, just go for it, whatever you're planning to. And the next thing that I've got is cat. And cat also is like spiritual meaning of cat is, your spirits are around you, they want to communicate to you, but somewhere you both are not in alignment with communicating your spirits. Like, you're not letting your spirit guides, or you might not be able to receive what the messages they have been trying to communicate to you. Okay, so I'm sorry, make sure that you communicate with your spirits. And anything else, do help me in the comment section, guys. You're not only gonna help me, but the people who have chosen pile 2 as well. So these were the words that I have come up with, and I'll be happy if you help me with more words. It's gonna be amazing. I'll be happy to read them. So now let's check on your angel numbers. So now let's check on your angel numbers, guys. What is the angel number that I'm gonna get? I'm gonna close my eyes and pull one, and we have 8. 8 is the number of abundance, infinity, and money coming in. Abundance flowing in. So definitely this is again an assurance from your angels that you need to make a move, and the money is really there, the rewards, the blessings, everything is right there, right around the corner. You need to make a move, you need to take a step, and they are gonna guide you. Divine will work for you. Okay, guys? So the next is for pile 2. Listen to me carefully. Right now you are asked to breathe in, breathe out. Okay, calm yourself down. Ask a question that you want to know answer or guidance for from your angels. I'm gonna, open a page and we'll see what is the guidance from your angel regarding that particular question. And once again, I wanna tell you people, this is a collective general reading, so it's okay. Okay, so let's just you can pause the video and think about the question. Okay, until then, yeah, breathe in, breathe out, think about the question, and I'll pull a page for the guidance from your angel regarding the question you're asking. It's going to be great. This is beautiful, guys. So your angels assure you that it's going to be great for whatever question you have asked. So make sure you work upon that shit. Okay, so this is great, guys. It's going to be great. So you don't have to worry. So this was your reading pile 2. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below if you like the video or not. Hey, pile 3. If you have chosen this beautiful 7 chakra pendant of Tree of Life, let's see what does your angel want to guide you. What is the message from your angels? So what I'm getting is some of you guys are going through an awakening journey. Okay, like I feel like some of you guys are getting a lot of angel numbers and divine calls and signs from your angels, and I feel like a new path is gonna come for you. Okay, like mostly people who have chosen pile 3, there are chances you might go through a spiritual awakening, come into the conscious light. It might feel a little hard to surrender and go with the universe, be in sync with the universe, but your angels assure you that they're gonna be with you in every step of your way. So one important thing that I'm getting from your angels to tell you to give you to guide you is stop resisting what is coming in your way. Stop resisting the changes or feelings that you're feeling it. Stop resisting whatever you feel energetically, physically, mentally, anything. Do not fight for it or do not distract yourself. Okay. Seeing this, I have seen 111 and 123 both together. So definitely this was a message, definite message for you guys. An important highlighted message from your angels is to do not resist any changes or feelings that is coming your way, because you're gonna transform yourself into a very beautiful, energetically a creature, being, a soul. So though you might feel like no one is understanding you right now, like your perspectives are different and you want people to understand you, it's very hard to fit into some people, fit into a group, or even fit into your family. You might feel like it's like going it's really chaos right now. Your life feels like a chaos and you don't know what to do. So one thing that your angels ask you to do is, go with the flow, have faith, trust on them, trust the universe, surrender, go with the flow, let whatever circumstance happen, let it happen, do not force yourself. Okay, whatever you feel, whatever emotions, whether it's sadness, anger, anything, just feel that shit. Feel it and dig deep. Why are you feeling a certain way? Why are you feeling sad? Which outcome affects you to feel sad? And why do you feel sad with that certain outcome? Is there some void inside you that you need to fill in? Like people should act a particular way so that you be happy? No, right? So there is some void inside you that you need to dig deep and fill yourself with enlightenment, and that can only happen if you let the changes come into you, if you let the transformation and the transition enter in your life, and you be in sync with the universe and enlighten yourself with the conscious truth. Okay, so though it might feel like a lonely process and you might feel like not being with the people who understand you, it's okay, it's definitely fine. But one thing that I am getting from your angels is, whatever you feel, okay, I'm saying this again and again, because people, pile 3 who are listening to me, please open up your feelings to yourself. Whatever you feel, let yourself feel that you are gonna go through an awakening. And I feel like some journey of you has ended recently, something has been collapsed, and if it's not collapsed or ended yet, there is a certain chance that your angels are warning you about something is gonna crumble down. Do not feel like, oh my god, what the hell, what did just happen. It's okay, feel that emotions, but it's okay. It was meant to happen, it was meant to collapse, because there is some good lesson that you're gonna learn from that. Okay, your journey, your path is different, and you are coming to the beginning of your soul purpose, the soul calling, the the journey. You're at the beginning stage, not only beginning, like a between stage of ending and the beginning. Like right now is the path that before you get into the right path of yours, there is something that is gonna collapse, or something that have already collapsed for some of you guys, but collapse is certain, which is gonna happen so that you could align yourself with your higher purpose, with your higher self. So definitely I'm getting this vibe from your angels. This is an important message, that do not resist any fucking thing which is coming your way, guys. Do not resist it. Go with the flow and feel every emotions. Do not try hard to change certain things which are happening your way, because you have to embrace it, guys. You have to, there is some void inside you, there is something that you need to heal. Understand, dig deep. Okay, residual purging and healing is still required. Okay. So this was the guidance from your angels. The next card that you were drawn to from the Wisdom Oracle deck was time to go. Definitely there is something that you need to end. There is something you need to let go, so that you could, enter to your life path, your life journey, your soul purpose. So definitely this is like a calling, like this is like a path, a journey which is calling to you to embrace yourself, to align yourself with the higher purpose. And the next card that you were drawn to from the Crystal Angel deck was be gentle with yourself all along the process. Yes, be gentle, guys. This journey is gonna be really hard, and I'm not scaring you, I'm just giving you an alert or a warning. But I'll let you know one thing, that your angels are always gonna be by your side, so you don't fucking have to worry about anything. Okay, just feel it, do not resist anything, do not fight with it. Just be gentle and let it happen. Let whatever happened to you, let it happen. Okay, be gentle with yourself. You have been through a lot and need time to heal and recover. So healing is a must over here, guys. So the next card that you were drawn to was from Divine Interventions. God sends miracles to answer sincere prayers. So I don't think so I have to explain you this, because miracles are happening, stuff are gonna happen which will be out of the blue for you. You wouldn't have expected, like suddenly things are changing, things are shifting. Okay, so this is a confirmation and assurance from your angels and your ascended masters and gods, that they are by your side and guiding you. You don't have to worry, just go with the flow. And definitely from the Moonology deck, expect powerful change. So I don't think so I have to explain you this as well. Okay, so the next is, we're gonna read the letter for you guys. Pile 3, letter from your angels. So it's time now. Your destiny is calling you. You need to move on, accept what happened, and let go of the shit that you forced. You are at the end of one journey and have not yet begun the next. Is there something that is blocking your way? Release it. You know what it is. And remember, when you close one door, another opens. This is the time you're asked to be strong and move forward. Take the risk. Even though the path looks uncertain, know that we are protecting and guiding you. Endings are always a sign of new beginnings. If you want something deeper, walk away. So, definitely, this is the letter from your angels. They are trying to tell you just, work. Go forward. It's okay. Take your chances. We are with you. It's hard, it's uncertain, it's dangerous as well, but we are with you. This is your soul calling. Okay. So we have checked the letters and the text, the cards. We're going to check the charms, some alphabets, and some angel number for you. So we're going to check your angel numbers, guys. I'm sorry. Charms for pile 3, guidance from your angels, charms for pile 3. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 charms. So it symbolizes 5 is change, definitely. So we have owl here. Owl says that you are being watched. You are being watched by your spirit team. You are in the journey. You are going through that wisdom enlightenment journey, and embrace it. Okay. You have got the lion. Stay strong. Okay. Strength is highlighted. So stay strong in the journey. Seahorse is like be open. Be open to receiving adventure. It's okay. Move forward. Have faith. Be curious. Whatever this journey is gonna bring, be curious and move forward. Take the risk. Okay, so this is like a 3 moon star kind of a pendant, and it says that you are one with the universe. The universe is watching you. It's like the universe is with you. Everything is gonna be together, and align yourself with the universe and your higher purpose. Okay, so this leaf charm symbolizes renewal, a hope, something new. Obviously, a new beginning, a new journey is going to start for you guys. So definitely an old pattern has been completed, is being completed. So now a new hope, new beginning, new stuff is going to happen. So this is an assurance from your angels as well. Now let's check your alphabets. So let's check pile 3 your alphabets. Okay, help me in the comment section below. So what is it? So I rearranged the alphabets, and then we have got bye here. So this is definitely like a journey is ending. Bye bye. So your angels are like, saying you that yes, it's ending. Something that you need to release, which is blocking your new path. Release it as soon as possible. Come on, say bye to that fucking thing, and we'll start a new journey. I'm so excited. So this is certain. So bye is certain. Anything else? If I'm getting we have bat. Bat also symbolizes wisdom. Yes, a lot of you guys who are watching this video might be in a depression mode, I feel. So don't you worry, because your angels are there and protecting you. Feel all the emotions that you're feeling, heal yourself, and wisdom is flowing in, so you don't have to worry. So anything else? If I'm getting, it's I'll be happy if you help me in the comment section below. So these were the words that I came up with. I'm really bad at this. Okay, we have bed. So maybe some of you guys are lying on your bed while watching this video, so your angels are around you, or it's just that you are asked to stay grounded and rest as much as you can. It's okay. And we have faith, I feel. FAIEH. So definitely your angels are asking you to trust them, trust them, have faith on them. because something really good is gonna happen. Have faith, okay? So these are the words. So let's check pile 3, your angel numbers. Oh my god. Yes. So I'm gonna close my eyes and pull out an angel number for you guys. So I guess it's 10. So 10 is the completion of a cycle. Okay, so this is definitely going with it. So it is like an assurance from your angel yet again that there is some cycle which is completing. 10 is completion of a cycle and a new cycle beginning. So definitely this goes. I don't think so I have to explain it more. You need to release that shit. Something is ending. A new beginning is just around the corner. Okay. So now pile 3, let's check the oracle answer. Okay, so what I need you to do is calm down, breathe in, breathe out, think about a question that you want to ask to your spirit team, your angels. What is the guidance or the answer for the question that you want answers for from your angels? So think about the question, pause the video, think about the question, and I'll pick a page and we'll see what is the answer or the guidance that you're going to get from your angels. Okay, so pause the video. Yeah, good. Now think about the question that you want to ask. Wait for a better offer. So this is the answer from your angels that you have got for the question that you have asked is wait for a better offer. Okay, so I don't know what question it was. See, look, this is a collective general reading, but for maximum people it would be inadvisable and you need to wait for a better offer. Okay, so waiting is being patient is highlighted, guys. 111, as I am saying this, being patient is highlighted for you, pile 3. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below if you like the video or not. Thank you, guys.